Hello, I'm Gus.
And I'm Lou.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're going to be showing you some of our techniques and demonstrating some of our work for you. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. Okay, I'm just going to tell you about the different types of board that we use. Okay, so what we're mosaicing on is very important. The board that we use, this of course is a piece of wood. This is a plywood board that's easily available. It's just a easily purchasable plywood from a craft store. This is a building material, and I favour this one. It comes in different thicknesses, and it's got a nice coating, very absorbent coating on both sides, because it's an insulation board for walls. It's got a polystyrene layer, which makes it very light. It's got a fiberglass netting, which is coated with this cement-like substance, which really grabs hold of the tiles when you glue it on both sides. And it comes in various thicknesses. You can get it right up to, I'll show you a large piece here. This is a big piece with a thickness of about 2 centimeters. That's a 20 mil. And it's the same thing. It's very strong, very light, and ideal for putting tiles on. This is the glue we use. This is one variety of glue you can use anyway. This is an express waterproof glue. It's a wood glue, PVA. If you're using a wooden board, it goes on well. And if you're using a wallboard, insulation wallboard like I showed you there, it goes on there. So this is a big container of this glue which we're going to spread. For large areas, just use a bigger container and it's spread. You can spread it big areas like so. And for more detailed areas, we just get a smaller bit like I showed you before. Like that.